Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome to this channel where everything about earning income online is discussed. Like I do here, I talk about stock, I talk about investments, I talk about finance, I talk about different ways, different areas, different methods you can earn income online. And today I want to state some different sites that you can go to and earn income online. They are legitimate sites that you can go through and create a portfolio on those websites and follow the instructions stated there and you start earning income. Yes, one of them is cpalead.com. cpalead.com. I will try and put some of them in the description where you can get to and know what I'm talking about. cpalead.com. Then we also have artworkmedia.com. Then we have builtin.com. builtin.com. Then we have onlinebookclub.org. onlinebookclub.org. And this is very good for those who are publishing books. And if you're on Amazon KDP, like I have some books published on Amazon KDP. I have Woman Gone Viral is on Amazon, and I also have Stay at Your Place. It's also on Amazon. So if you want to get paid for reading books, you can go to this place, onlinebookclub.com. Follow the instructions and you will get paid. Follow the instructions, read those books that they give you to read, and you will get paid for that. Then we also have redbubble.com. Here you can sell so many things on redbubble.com. Then we have 1001fonts.com. 1001fonts.com. And also we have splash.com. We have openai.com. We have hotspots.ai. Then also for NFT, those who want to get on NFT and know how to go about earning income on that, I think that is one I did in the previous video, and I also do more on how you can earn income via NFT online. So we have other one, paid-to-read-email.com. paid-to-read-email.com. These are some of the things or areas you can get to online. Follow the instructions and get paid. If you like what I'm doing here, subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. Hope to see you in the next video. Have a nice time and bye.